Children, I wish you all a very happy good morning. So, lastly, we have completed up to the what? Dictation word in this poem also, and in the Alice of Wonderland also have, right? So, I think all you are writing it and learning from it. Okay. So now let me one thing I want to clear to you, that all of you have written paper. In that some papers are written by the parents. Don't tell your parents to write the paper, and the parents, please don't write your children paper. Because if you will write, then how he or she will may know that what he want to write, and how they will able to write. So please let the children write by own self whatever mark he got or she. So, and the next point I want to tell is that many people have written spelling very wrong. All right, answer is right, but spelling is very wrong. So just learn the spelling so that you will get your full mark and you can score high. Then in second, in music therapy and kitchen therapy, music therapy and kitchen therapy, some has written about the orchestra, concert, like that. That you don't have to write. You just have to write whatever it is given on the textbook page number. I have told many times, and we have done many time revision. Then also some children are writing the orchestra, concert, like this, all the things, live performance and that. That not a single marks I have given. Okay. The next is I have given music therapy, and some has written about how to make bhel. Seriously, I don't ask this type of question. I just ask what is the music therapy. You just don't have to write this type of things. I have explained many times in the lecture. You just see the lecture, and I have not given any mark. You have written about the recipe of the something. That we don't need. Okay, so please attend the lecture and see what you have to write in your exam and how you have to write. And in that also date is not written. Then also I have given mark, but date is compulsory. This time I will leaving, but next time you write the proper wise. Okay. Now today we will do this Alice in the Wonderland, right? I will read paragraph today. You also have to read with me or afterwards me. So your speaking skill can also be improved. Today dictation will not take. In next lecture the dictation we will take. Okay. Today just read with me. One day Alice was lying. What is that? Lying. 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 Under a tree, listening to her sister reading a story. So what is that? Sister reading a story. Then suddenly, you have to read like that. Suddenly. Suddenly means directly someone is coming to your room. Suddenly you have to go like this. Suddenly. She saw a white rabbit. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. So what he was wearing? A blue coat. He took out a big watch from his pocket and he hurried. Hurried means rushed, to go fastly. She said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." He was going fastly. Hurried. You have to pronounce it as hurried. Then he's saying, "Oh dear." If exclamation mark is there like this, you have to speak like that. "Oh dear, I will be too late." Then if I will not go fast, then I will be too late. She thought that there was something very different about this rabbit. Thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought you have to read. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. C-O-U-D, could, it is there. It could talk. It wore a red coat and it is carried a watch. So please read this. Okay, paragraph. Tell your mother to be stay there, and you have to read with you read and your mother tell to see her. Okay, this. Then only you can know this, and you can pronounce in your English will be improved. Alice wondered. Wondered means find where he has gone, like this. Wondered. A talking rabbit was shocked that he was a talking rabbit. You have seen any talking rabbit? No, na. So this was the talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a coat. He was like this surprise. A rabbit who was wearing a coat. Alice was burning with curiosity. Burning with curiosity means he want to know what it is there. Learn it, burning and curiosity. Curiosity. Read it, curiosity. Once again, curiosity. And she followed the white rabbit. Followed means to walk. Whenever going some, you have to follow her, means you have to go back to her. So she followed the white rabbit. See in the picture, she is following her. Right? So followed the white rabbit. Now what happened? The rabbit started running and Alice followed him. Now rabbit was starting running fast. Alice also followed him. The rabbit suddenly popped down. Suddenly means in instant way he popped down a large rabbit hole. There more big hole is there. See here, hole is there. So rabbit, what happened? Here is the here we can see this is the rabbit, right? What happened? He directly popped down to the hole. The rabbit went down and down and down into the rabbit hole. So he went down in the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud. Aloud. You have to speak like aloud. Loud means loudly spoke. Where am I? Where am I? Like this you have to speak. Where am I? How many miles do I have fallen? He was asking. How many miles down have I fallen? Have I fallen means in the hole. How many times means where I am. How many times I have fallen? Where I am. I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. She was shocked. She was frightened. That where I am going. I am going in the earth. Near to the hole of the earth, she is telling. The rabbit went down into that over the center of the earth. She wondered. She was exclaimed. She wondered what? Will I sleep through? She was wondering that I will. If she is there now, so she thought. She was wondered and I will go downside. Where I will go? What happened to me? What will happen? Will I sleep to the earth to the other side? If I will go to our earth to other planet? Like this she was thinking. So, like this she was thinking that I will go to the other side. So, up to this, activity number 6, up to this paragraph, you read it and you try to pronounce the word correctly. Okay? Thank you children. Have a nice day.